Adventures, and well, we already finished building the motorcycle on this build, so let's get building. It's onto the, I think it should be the trailer. Oh. Alright, now it's time for the trailer. And so we have to open bag number 2. This is going to be a pretty long trailer.
That is very long.
I've never seen a trailer this long. Well, other than the Technic Lego cargo truck set. It's weird that would be like a cross-country road trailer. Is what it seems like, but it's way longer than I expected. Well, alright, so it seems like all I've been doing for now is putting in these little pieces. Well, now it's time to put in some of the actual panels. I like to call them that.
There's some panels like that on the 6x6 tow truck, aren't there?
Yeah. I put it on backwards. It's actually really big. Actually, I think this one piece is here to, like, turn the trailer to make it into a ramp.
Wow.
So the motorbike can go off the truck where the loop-de-loop is. I mean the loop.
That is awesome.
So the wheels should be like at the here, then that will be the ramp. That's why it's so long and smooth. It also makes a really loud racket.
You know who else likes to make really loud rackets?
Me.
Yep.
Was that Reese?
Yeah.
Oh man. You pick Reese up just in case if Aunt Legos falls, she doesn't eat it like she did last time. doesn't make a racket anymore.
It's got support.
Well, it sort of does, but not really. Doesn't make a racket too much anymore.
What about the wheels? When do the wheels go on?
I don't think to get your hopes up. It's like 3 more pages or something, I'd say, because I accidentally skipped some pages, but not really. I mean, I skipped them and went back to the right page they should be on. Now it's like a... Actually, I'm gonna go get the motorcycle. No, let's not do that. Just save it till the trailer's done.
There's a part stuck in the bag still.
Oh.
You might need.
Which I did need it just now, but there already was one right there. On! Okay, fine.
To go in the end?
Yes.
Okay. It just doesn't want to go, does it? Can you get these other two in just like the other one? Because that thing is really annoying. Mark my words. I am not changing my mind about that. Other way.
Oh, this is where the wheels go on, actually.
Not yet. You gotta do this.
I'm just
first.
gonna do one on one side because I need to do this too, so I'm gonna do one on that side. Hey, Daddy, I finished the trailer. Yeah. Actually, I'm not completely done, actually.
Yeah, because you gotta get the back ramps attached.
Which I think it's that flap right there. I think it's this little piece right there. Actually, I'm correct because then it shows to put these things in. I feel like the truck's gonna be extra detailed because when I had to find the first step for the trailer, I saw a steering wheel in the middle of the truck.
Whoa.
So it's probably gonna be extra detailed.
That is awesome.
Surprisingly good. I can't believe that small bump still made it do. It still did good with that small bump. I might actually try this. That time it could have landed it. It went through your lip. Okay, let's go make the truck.